I will never watch a movie the same way again after learning this. Here's how epic sound effects are made. Start with Boom Library, SoundMorph and Splice. They're the treasure troves of cinematic sounds. Next, unleash your creativity with Adobe Audition, Pro Tools or Logic Pro X. Layering sounds and using plugins like reverb and delay can transform simple noises into epic effects. Don't forget the art of record live sounds like footsteps or rustling leaves to add authenticity. Also play a crucial role. Think wind, rain or city noises to set the scene. Dynamic range is key. Loud explosions should contrast with quieter moments. And finally, perfect your mix. Balance sound effects with dialogue and music using EQ, compression, and spatial effects. Follow these steps and you'll create a soundscape that's truly cinematic.